because he opted to go to the police. All attempts to negotiate or have his funds returned has been of no success, warranting him to go to the police.
It has no locus, Your Honor, with what is before you, so that the same cannot be left to decay or to waste away at the Kasarani.
Your Honor, my request is that they be remanded at Mulolongo police station.
You okay with that? Okay. You're from Mavoko?
Your Honor, we are not okay to that.
No, where?
Remember the Willie Kimani murder. Your Honor, remember the Willie Kimani murder. An advocate was murdered at Mulolongo police station. Let us not repeat the same mistake.